Welcome to Apps4Org. This video shows scanning the attendees' digital badges. How to scan attendee digital badges who visit the booth. View list of attendees who visited the booth. Lead generation report. Select winners for booth raffles or prizes. Use the QR code scanner within the app to scan. Do not use your phone's camera for scanning the QR code. To scan leads, select your company booth from the exhibitor or sponsor listing. Once you select your company, you will notice Scan icon. This icon will launch the QR code scanner, which you can use to scan the attendee's digital badge or physical badge. To view list of visited or scanned attendees, select the report icon. You have the option to send the report as Excel to your email. To select a winner from the list of attendees who visited the booth, tap on Winner icon. Thank you for watching the video.